Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new chapter, characteristics of computer. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of characteristic. Characteristics means the important features or the qualities which computer possess. So we all know that computer is a very special machine and also wonderful and universally acceptable. So we are going to start some of the important characteristics or qualities of the computer. First is speed. It is a very fast machine which can perform hundreds of calculations in fractions of a second. A computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to humans while performing mathematical calculations. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. The time taken by computer for the operation is in micro or nanoseconds. So next is accurate. The computer never make any mistake. They always give correct result. They make mistake only when we give wrong instruction. Means a computer perform calculation with 100% accuracy. Errors may occur only if we means humans will give wrong input to the computer. Only then computer will make any mistake. Otherwise, if we give the correct input to the computer, it will never make any mistakes. It is errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. Next is versatile. Computers can perform various tasks without complaining. It can solve many types of problems without whether arithmetic or logical. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform different kinds of work with same speed, accuracy. It can perform not a one task, not a two tasks. It can perform multiple tasks. It is multitasking. At the same time we can listen the song. At the same time we can do the paint program also. So a computer can perform various tasks together without complaining. Next is reliable. Computers are very reliable. They never get tired and can work for years without any problem or any failure. A computer is reliable, we all know, as it gives consistent result for similar set of data. For example, if we give same set of input or same set of information to the computer any number of times, we will get the same result. It will not make any mistake until and unless if there is any technical problem. Next is diligence. A computer never gets tired or bored even if it has to do the same job again and again and work for any number of hours. A computer can perform millions of tasks for calculation with the same accuracy and consistency. It doesn't feel any lack of concentration. It never gets bored. It never gets tired also. Its memory also makes it superior to that of human beings. Means it can store a lot of information within it. So next is the storage. The storage capacity of a computer is very high. It can store a large amount of information which can be used any time. We all know that computer has built-in memory called primary memory, where it stores data, Apart from the primary memory, secondary storage or the removable devices such as CDs, pen drives, etc. are also used to store the data. So we can say that storage capacity of a computer is very high, means we are having the primary as well as the secondary storage devices to store the information or the data in the computer. Now the last is the automatic. A computer can perform an action again and again automatically without any human control. Only we have to instruct the computer only for once and automatically carries the assigned task. Computer performs all the data task automatically, that is, it performs tasks without manual or the human intervention. If we keep any task on auto mode, we don't have to control or we don't have to instruct the computer again and again to perform a task. It will complete or it will perform the task by its own. Only we have to put it on an automate with a limit. So characteristics are completed. Next, although we are having many features, many important qualities of a computer, but something which has some pros also are having some cons. So yeah, we are also having the limitations of a computer. Though we have a lot of advantages and are very useful to us, but it has a few limitations too. Yes. So computer cannot able to take the decision on its own. We humans have to direct the computer. We humans have to input the information or the data to the computer. On the basis of that only computer will work. It will not able to take its own decisions, but we humans have to direct it or to give the set of instructions. Next is not capable of learning. Yeah, it is a machine, it is not capable of learning. A human learns from its mistake. So for example, if we are making any mistake and someone has corrected us, then it might be chances that from the next time onwards we are not going to make that mistakes again. But this is not the case with the computer. We humans can learn from our mistakes, but if we will give the wrong instruction to the computer, it will do that mistake again and again multiple times unless and until we will not correct the input data. The mistake will always be same till the time the instructions are not corrected in case of a wrong statements given. No emotions. Yeah, it is a machine, it does not have any feelings or emotions for anyone, unlike the humans. No IQ. A computer does not have any intelligence of its own. It works as per the instruction given by the user. We all are thinking that computer is a very smart machine. It is a very fast machine. It is very intelligent machines. It is having a very high IQ, but no, it works on the programs or the softwares which humans developed. Beside this wonderful machine, we humans are there. Okay, thank you everyone.